In this video, we are going to be making the pattern for this Birkenstock slide you are seeing on the screen. So firstly, you're going to draw a straight line on your cardboard paper. The length is going to be 12 inches, then the width is going to be 2 inches. So you're going to measure it into 3 places. So after cutting them into shape, the next thing, take a measurement from here to here on one of the straps. From the edge, measure 1 inch. 1 inch. So you now curve it from there to the other edge. So this is going to be the part of the strap that is going to overlap the other one. So after that, the next thing, you cut it into shape. So right now, let's proceed. So it is going to overlap this one, and this one also, we're going to curve this edge here on both sides like this. You see what I'm doing, right? So after that, this one is going to overlap the other one by 4 inches. By 4 inches. So that's where our magic tape will be installed from here to here. 4 inches. 4 inches here to here. So now this one is going to overlap it that way to that 4 inches measurement. So right now I'm going to use a staple to hold both of them together so that we'll be able to get the result needed. Then after that, we have to align them on the last this way, and then we cut off some excess. So we also bring this one too, align it properly, make sure you align it properly, and then make sure that here, you see here, comes down up to this point. You understand that overlapping, make sure it is close to the feather edge, and then you cut off the excess. And also this one. So with this, we have gotten just half of the pattern. We're going to proceed to the next step. So right now, you take the measurement of the total length of leather that will go around the sole You understand? You can use Birkenstock for this, and you can also use double sole. So the total length I got was 27 inches. So I'm going to cut a strap. The width is going to be 2 inches. So I'm going to double it because this cardboard paper is not up to 27 inches. So I measure 2 inches width into 2 places, and then draw a line and cut them into shape. So after cutting them into shape, I'm going to use masking tape to join the both of them together so that I'll be able to get the 27 inches length needed. Then after that, the next thing, fold it into 2 equal parts. Locate the center. Once you've located the center, use your scissors to mark that center because it is going to help a lot while aligning the pattern. So mark that center there. You see it, mark it this way. So after that, align that strap, align it properly on the insole. Then try to use your masking tape to hold it to position this way. You understand? So right now, the next thing you are going to do, pick your biro and then trace out the shape of the upper part of the insole. You know, the front of the sole is tinier than the back, so you need that shape. Once you get the shape, it is going to be easier to last the pattern. So get the shape, trace it out. So once you are done doing that, remove it again and then cut off that excess at the top. Hope you're getting what we're doing here. So I have to remove the masking tapes. So I'll bring down this line. Remember, you have to add enough allowance so that you can use this for all the sizes you get. So now let's cut off that excess at the top. Then after cutting off that excess, we have to mark the center here at the top again. You understand? So that it will be visible while we are aligning it the second time. So this time around, I'm going to realign it and make sure the edge of the cardboard paper aligns with the edge of the insole at the top. So then I use my pin to hold it, secure it to position as I am aligning it. So once you have successfully done that, let's go over to the next one. You see this line here, that's where the center of that strap is going to be. So now we're going to place our last on top of it and then use nail to secure it to position. So after that, now align this strap to its positions as if you are lasting the pattern, you understand? So align it to their position this way, and then also you can use your sellotape for this if you don't have this tool. So after aligning this one, you pick the other one, you pick this one also, and then you also align it. Then use a masking tape first of all to hold it one side after setting it properly. So you secure it on this side and then come over to this point here and then to secure it to position also. Don't make mistake on this stage, because if you do, you will lose the pattern, you understand? So come back to here and then align it properly and also secure it to position. So now these are the positions. This one landed on the 3.5 inches at the back, and also likewise this one. And then this one, this first arrow, that's where it is going to land. And then on this side, the second arrow, you see it? So right now we are going to I'll leave enough allowance here, you see it, so that we can use it for all sizes, and then later we cut off some excess. So draw this line in such a way that it is going to be straight, that's correspond with the strap that went around the insole, you understand? So this area that I'm marking right now is the part that I'm going to cut off. Then come over, draw the line, you see, where the edge of that cardboard paper that went around the sole, the insole stopped, and also mark here, you understand? Mark the position of the strap. That's what I'm doing. You see how I'm doing it? So just watch closely to see what I'm doing. So mark both sides and then the edge here. Remember, that's where you're going to hand stitch. You get? Come over to this side also. Mark the edge. Then mark the side. And also mark the side here. Then go over to this one, also mark the edge. Then mark the sides. So with that, we are done with the stage. So you see what we have there. Now the next thing we are going to do, we're going to remove the pattern from the last and then proceed with the next step. So after removing that, cut off those excess parts. You see it? Cut off the excess part. This is it here. So right now, the next thing we are going to do, we are going to punch a marking dot on those areas. We are going to align with the other strap that went around the insole. So I'm going to punch holes there so that we can be able to transfer the details to our leather while marking. So you see what I did there? You see it? So I'm going to do that to all those outlines. So you see this one too? You see it? So that's what you're going to do to all of them. So after that, we have to remove this one also, and then we have to also punch a marking dot on those outlines where the straps are going to be, attached on this strap that will go around the insole. So punch a hole on those details. So I'm done doing that. You see, remember to mark where it's supposed to face up. So I put an arrow here and then right up so that I will know the part that is going to face up. So this is how to couple the pattern. Stitch the counter to the size of the sole, the insole, and then apply gum and attach this to position. And after that, you do the hand stitching. You understand? And then this one is going to come over here also. And the same thing is applicable to this one. So once you've stitched the counter of the strap that will go around the insole, then you apply gum and then couple the straps together, and then you hand stitch. You get the point. Now you hand stitch those areas. You see it? So you see the marking dots there, right? So follow the same procedure and the same measurement, and you are going to arrive at the same result. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. And also, if you're having bond issues, there is a course for you that will solve all your bond problem. It is going to cost you 15,000 naira, and you're going to be added to the class to have access to those courses. It is going to solve all your bond issues. So if you are interested for the courses, make payment to the account details on the screen, and also send your proof of payment to the WhatsApp number under the account number, and you get the link to join the classes. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon to get updates as soon as a new video is dropped. Have a nice day and see you in my next video.